we will unbox and calibrate 3-digit, capacity 220 grams, resolution 1 milligrams, 0.001 grams, electronic balance. After getting the box out of the container, we can see the contents inside, comprising of a power adapter, a balance pan and a weighing scale. Here we have a balance pan and our power adapter. Now we will connect the power adapter by inserting the connector into the socket on the right side of the analytical balance. Now we will attach the pan to the analytical balance. Now we will turn on the analytical balance and let it warm up for 20 minutes. After letting it warm up, we will long press the Cal button, until screen shows California. Now when the screen starts to show 100, we will put a pre-verified 100.000 grams weight on the balance and close all the glass panels. After some time, the analytical balance will automatically complete its calibration. Thank you.